Hello, everybody. I'm Shah Rukh Khan, and I'm coming in front of you and take this opportunity for sort of a very, very sad moment for me and the whole team here at Cine Yug and everybody who was involved with the show Temptations Reloaded, which had Bipasha, myself, and Deepika Padukone. We were supposed to come and perform in Frankfurt, Berlin, Munich, and even Barcelona. But unfortunately, we had to take some steps and cancel the whole tour. This statement is not to clarify any legal stand or to clear any PR activity in Germany, around the world, in my own country, but this is to genuinely say a heartfelt sorry to all of you. I apologize on behalf of the whole team that we could not make it. First of all, I really want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for making me the star I am, and I want to apologize and say a huge, huge, huge sorry that I could not live up to the promise that we had given to the people of Germany. The reason is twofold. In a certain way, at my stage and at my age, I am responsible for two aspects of doing live shows or films or any other product that I offer to the world. One is my responsibility first and foremost to the people who love me so much, to the audience who's coming there. I do always intend to give the best quality that I can possibly do with my team. And the second responsibility, of course, is to the team, that I offer them the best comforts, the best methods of working, the best atmosphere. So they give their best for your viewing. And in this case, I was falling short on both the counts. But I think it would be enough if I tell you that the shows that were promised would not have been able to give the best to the audience, and also my whole team would not have been able to get the best that is due to them in terms of just simply traveling, accommodation, or coming and performing there, or the economics of the whole situation. And I promise the people of Germany that before I do a big show again, I would make sure that I first come to Frankfurt, Munich, and Berlin, and make sure that I do it with the happiness that I always bring and the happiness that you've given to me. So apologies. In India, we fold our hands and apologize. So I apologize to all of you, and I promise you, we will work around and see what are the mismanaged items in Germany, because of which for the first time I had to cancel a tour. I love you very much, and I apologize to you, and I'm sure the love that you've given me always, you will accept this apology and understand my position. And on behalf of the whole team, once again, really, really sorry. But inshallah, we'll be in Germany very, very soon, and I will inform you personally. I will come down myself and make a promise on behalf of the whole production that we will handle ourselves and make sure that you have a great shows. Thank you, everyone, and I love you all.